Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today I'm going to be making my version of spicy chicken sandwich. It's going to be on delicious. Come on everyone, let's go. Booyah! Everyone, we're gonna go through the ingredients. I got the vegetables and of course that garlic sauce that we're gonna make the coleslaw. It's gonna be delicious. We got the mayonnaise, the ranch dip, and the milk to make the ranch dressing. And then we have white pepper, a cayenne pepper. We have granulated onions, garlic oil, and we have of course olive oil, salt. We got the organic chicken, eggs, black pepper bacon, buns, and flour. Let's go have fun. Come on now. Booyah! All right, here we go. We're gonna put this whole cup of mayonnaise and dump in the seasoning there, the ranch seasoning, and then a whole cup of whole milk. All right, everyone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate the chicken. It's been washed really well. Slice it in between so it won't be too thick. Just like that. We're gonna pinch it everywhere, stab it. We're gonna marinate it, leave it sitting there for obviously like 20 minutes, half hour. Like to squeeze half a lime so that kills that chicken flavor for sure. And then you could just throw it in there if you want. Add on some white pepper. I'm gonna add on some granulated onions, onion powder. Beautiful. And this is cayenne pepper. It's gonna give it a nice little kick in there, spicy. Pretty similar to like Popeyes chicken sandwich. That should be good enough. Also, we're gonna add on the garlic oil. That should keep it nice and moist. Nice flavor to it. That's garlic oil right there. Of course, gotta have some beer in there too. Like I said, you wanna leave it sitting there at least, 20 minutes, half hour. Now we're gonna add some salt. Just add it to your own taste. Like I said, I pretty much know how much to add in there. That should be good. Leave it sitting there for 20 minutes, half an hour. That way it'll catch a really, really good flavor to it. Okay, that's gonna be a little spicy. All right. Now that I finished slicing the cabbage and the onions very finely, so we're gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna mix it with the garlic sauce in it, and it's gonna be so delicious. All right, here we go. We're gonna add on the garlic sauce to it now. And you know what I decided? We're gonna add a little crushed pepper, two little thing. We're gonna add it in there just to make it a little spicier, because that chicken should be a little spicy already. That's about 3/4 already. You know what? My hands are clean. Let's do it with my hands. How's that? Yep, beautiful. There we go. Alright, we're gonna add the flour there. Have it ready for chicken. I'm gonna add some pepper. That way we'll have the flour will have a nice flavor. Should be good enough. Add some salt too. That should be good enough. Making this. gonna use the eggs right now. First we're gonna do the egg white. That's 2 egg whites. So I'm gonna add a little salt. Now we're gonna add the yolk in there. This is I always do it just to make sure that batter down really good. So it has lots of bubbles on it. That means I'm doing a great job. This is what I'm gonna do before I bread the chicken. We're gonna have the pan ready, warmed up. I would say a medium would be good enough. Don't be afraid to put some olive oil in there. That should be about good. All right, here we're gonna bread the chicken now. What I did, it was too big, so I sliced it up about halfway. So we're gonna dip it in there, both sides. Perfect. Now, there we go. I'm gonna bury this baby up. All right, that's ready to go. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna be delicious. Now we're gonna put the chicken in there. It's a medium. Just like that. You can turn it down a little bit, you know, that the longer it takes, the better, the juicier it's gonna be. So we're gonna, you know, leave it fry on one side for like probably 7-8 minutes, and then flip it over on the other side. All right, now we're gonna make the bacon. So we're gonna 6 slices for 3 sandwiches. All right, let's try it out now. It's been about 7 minutes. Yeah, it's ready. Flip it over. All right, so now leave it there another about 7-8 minutes. And we're gonna do the bacon now. Looking good, looking good. All right, now we're gonna warm this up. You know, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna warm up the buns, put some butter inside the buns, warm it up a little bit, and it's gonna be so delicious. Alright everyone, here's the best part. You know what, I gotta try my ranch. Let me try this baby out. So delicious. Here we go. Ooh, this baby's big. So moist. That coleslaw, garlic coleslaw on it with the bacon, ranch dressing. What a perfect combination. Wow. Salute everyone. Thank you all very much for your like, subscription, comment. Stay safe. God bless. I know we're going through another pretty much like a lockdown, but you know what? Let's hang in there. Let's stand together. Let's love each other. No more hate. And God bless you all. Have a good evening. Love you.